Hey YouTube, Tom with TK Designs here. I wanted to follow up on my previous video, Mastering Your VFD with Gerbil Control. If you haven't watched that video, it'll be linked in the description. Please see that video to obtain settings for VFD control. A member of the SaneSmart user group, Jim DeSilva, reached out to me and we did some extensive testing over the course of the weekend on these H100 series VFDs, such as the one that I'm configuring. We were able to determine that thanks to the F072 gain setting, we can bypass any kind of PWM converter or conditioner and run the VFD spindle directly from the laser output. First, we need to disconnect the 12-volt power from the laser, which was previously my red cable here. It's disconnected both at this end and at the laser side so that there's no signal whatsoever passing over the wire. Next, we need to connect our PWM signal, which is my yellow cable, to the A1I or AI1 input on the VFD, and the ground from the laser to the ground terminal on the VFD. Finally, we want to adjust the F72 gain to adjust to tune the spindle speed. Set our F072. Set mine to 323%, which gives me a speed control to within 100 to 200 RPM of descent speed. So here we have the signal set at 8,000 RPM. You see we're getting a reading of 79.98. At 12,000 RPM, we're getting 12,061 RPM. At 18,000, we're getting 18,080 RPM. At 24,000, we're getting 23,930-ish. So as we see, even with laser testing, adjusting the F072 gain allows us good spindle speed control. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want to see more of my content.